Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 11. I've already been to church this morning and walked Martin. I have the oven preheating for the sourdough breads. I made 3 yesterday. I formed them. They've been in the refrigerator overnight. So I started the process at around 6 in the morning when we took out the sourdough starter and started feeding Clarice. By 8:30, I was finished with any of the active portion. With sourdough, you work some, you wait some, you work some, you wait some. And today we get the fruit of the labor. I'm going to bake off 3 loaves. It freezes beautifully, so I don't have to do this every week. Before I bake the sourdough bread, I want to open my Beyond the Pink Door advent calendar and show you some happy mail. So let's get into the calendar. Here's my calendar. I'm going to be so sad when this ends, but I think that makes me appreciate it more come next year. You can't have a present every day. Let's see. I'm looking for 11. Here it is. I think I know what it is by touch, and that's why I don't set it up the night before. It feels like a pencil. Really pretty stickers. I haven't been showing you them, but it's very nicely packaged. So let's get into this. It's a dressmaking pencil in white. I think it's going to come in really handy. I was just thinking yesterday when I was looking at my plans for after the Christmas madness, I want to make the Hovia coat by Megan Nielsen and quilt my fabric together. I have some dark blue double gauze that I like to do on the exterior, and I think this will come in really handy. So thank you, Andrea, Karis, and Caroline. On to Happy Mail. I got several things recently. I showed yesterday the little Christmas gift I got from Adam and Darren. Thank you, guys. I'm going to insert a photo of it in action. I've got it burning now, or melting now. The other Happy Mail I got was a gift for my parents and some fabric. So this arrived yesterday. This is something that I saw on Sean's channel from Kittenish Behavior. It is called, turn it right way around, Professor Charlie's Adventures or World Tour. It's one of those mystery games. It has 24 envelopes and it's a mystery to solve. I think it'll be perfect for my parents for a couple of reasons. One, they love mysteries and crime stories, nothing too gory. And my husband is Professor Charlie. So I think they'll get a really big kick out of the title of the game, and I think this is going to be a good choice for them. So the other package came from Blackbird Fabric. It was the fabric I ordered from Black Friday sale. And I got some of this ribbing. It's a pine green. I got half a yard because I was not sure about the color. I thought it might be nice with some mustard that I have for Charlie. Or it would really look good with navy, I think. This is really pretty. This is their pine, I believe it's called. Yes. It is a bamboo and cotton 2x2 ribbing. Really nice quality. I might be ordering some more of this. And the other fabric purchase, which was the bulk of my purchase, is this bull denim in a walnut colorway. This is going to be for an Ilford jacket for Charlie. I will do a fit test first with a muslin or toile, and then I'll be making him an Ilford in this bull denim. I think it's a good weight for this area of the country. And I got some thread for top stitching. I heard the oven signal go that it's ready for the sourdough bread. I'm going to put the first loaf in the oven and I'll see you in a little bit. I just got back from a Christmas potluck and I'm going to sign off so I can head to the sewing room and see if I can figure out where, if I went wrong on the Romy dress, fingers crossed I did not mess up on the sleeves. I don't know what it is about raglan sleeves, but if I put it up for a minute and then try to get back to the project, sometimes something goes wrong. So I don't know if my sleeve grew a little bit or if I sewed the wrong side to the wrong side, but I need to be in the right frame of mind. So I'm gonna go take a look at it and fingers crossed it's all okay. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.